Hey there, Dotson Geis with MarineMax in Charleston. Today we're out on the water on our brand new Scout 240 Dorado. She's a 2025 model. You'll see she's equipped without the hardtop, which we absolutely love this look. I personally own this model, so I think it's a fantastic layout, but I love the perspective of not having that big oversized hardtop, especially this time of year in fall in Charleston in November. It can be a little bit brisk. So we've got her opened up today, tons of sunlight, feels incredible. I like the bow, how deep it is, so we'll start there. I'm 6 foot for reference. I like to point that out in my videos. It's a big, tall bow, so very secure for the kids. I had this model a couple years ago when my kids were a little bit younger. So it's just a great, safe feel up front. You have independently flipped bolsters on both port and starboard. Those are cooler boxes. We have designated anchor locker storage. This boat's equipped with a JL audio stereo with a fusion head unit. We've got cup holders and freshwater and waste pump out. She's equipped with a VHF. We've got her tucked down there on the windshield at the moment. Today, in the fall, it's a great opportunity to use the flip windshield. I like this feature because A, it's that big molded in fiberglass windshield. I can remove this and there's a storage locker inside the head on the port side here. So in the summer months, I don't have to see that as I'm looking through the passenger side. But this time of year, perfect option to have. It does, when our kids were smaller, have a little walk-through door. So again, we close that off for colder weather, but also just kind of contain the chaos up here, you know, when you got a whole bunch of kids. Underneath the helm, we've got our cover stuffed in at the moment, but there's dry storage under there. We have our head on the port side, and you'll see it's a porcelain head with a sink, and then there's a little storage right there on that back side for that windshield I mentioned. Coming to the back, she is equipped with a battery charger. We have a ski locker, which is how we access our batteries as well, and she's equipped with 2 batteries standard, one for the engine, one for our house system. But nice little ski locker there. You'll see we've got our dinette set up at the moment, so all the seats pivot with flip bolsters, but you have the ability to sit 4 comfortably under the shade of our bimini top, or open today. You have a cooler box under that flip bench seat there. We'll flip this back around, drop that, and then now you have 4 forward-facing helm seats underneath the cover, or today, out of the cover. At the helm here, we've got our Garmin standard from Scout. We've got our digital switching in there as well. We've got our VHF control, our fusion head unit. This boat's equipped with a key fob. So just like you lock and unlock your car, I can power on and power off the boat, and then I've got quick light settings. So you can take that to the restaurant as a quick grab. And then we've got our digital throttle and shift for Mercury there. Tiltable helm. As we transition to the back, so we've got the wet bar over here in the corner. We've got chargers and as well as a little cubby tray, cutting board, sink, and as well as a 35-quart Yeti that slides out on a track here. Works really good when she's heavy. I can attest to that. We have in-gunnel rod storage over here on the starboard side, as well as our walk-through door, which again, I love this for the small kids, even my dog. So I'm right up in the back of the boat, we're at the sandbar, at the beach, big walk-through transom. So regardless of which side, mom can sit over here and the kids are running in and out on that side. But a great spot. We had the ski tow and absolutely love this one has it as well. Great big oversized stainless steel ski tow. We have a freshwater shower in the back, and then right here under this starboard side is the raw water wash down. She's equipped with a Mercury 300 Dorado. So you'll hear her purring back there right now as we're in the river. As of the back, you'll see it's in a convertible state. So big, busy day, or we're in a fishing setup. We have fishing bolsters all throughout, but I can easily pivot this into aft seating. And now we have a comfortable sectional seating. And then I can do one better, do my wife's favorite spot, which is the aft facing lounge. And again, 6 foot, but tons of room back here. For a 24-foot boat, she does really well with her space. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of our 2025 Scout 240 Dorado. Again, my name is Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. If you have any further questions about this beautiful shark gray boat, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.